In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to archive and unarchive on Monday.com step by step. If you're cleaning up your board, organizing completed tasks, or just trying to reduce clutter without permanently deleting anything, archiving is the safest and smartest way to do it. I'll walk you through how to archive an item or a group, how to find your archived items, and how to restore them back to your board in seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Monday.com and go to the board that contains the item or group you want to archive. This is important because archiving happens directly inside the specific board where the task or group lives. Once you're inside the correct board, locate the item you want to archive. An item is usually a single task row inside a group. To archive an item, hover over the item and click on the three-dot menu on the right side of that row. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, click on Archive. As soon as you click Archive, the item will disappear from the board view. Don't worry, it is not deleted. It has simply been moved to the Archived section for that board. If instead you want to archive an entire group, go to the group title. Click the three-dot menu next to the group name. Again, select Archive from the drop-down options. This will archive the entire group along with all the items inside it. This is especially useful when you've completed a full project phase and want to clear space without losing historical data. Now let's talk about how to access archived items. Many users archive something and then immediately wonder where it went. To find it, go to the top right area of your board and click the three-dot menu there. This is the board level menu, not the item menu. From that drop-down, select Archived Items. When you click this, a new view will open showing all archived items and archived groups for that specific board. Inside the Archived Items section, you'll see a list of everything that has been archived. This view allows you to review past tasks, check completed work, or restore anything that was archived by mistake. Now let's go over how to unarchive an item. In the Archived Items view, locate the item or group you want to restore. Next to it, you'll see an Unarchive option. Click Unarchive and the item will immediately be restored to your board. It will return to its original group and position in most cases, making the restoration process quick and seamless. If you're restoring an archived group, the same process applies. Find the group in the Archived Item section and click Unarchive. The full group, along with all its items, will reappear on your board. After unarchiving, it's always a good idea to confirm restoration. Go back to your main board view and check that the item or group appears in the correct location. This ensures everything is back where it should be, and your workflow remains organized. Archiving is a powerful feature in Monday.com because it keeps your workspace clean without permanently deleting important information. It's perfect for managing completed projects, old tasks, or temporary data that you may need again later. And that's it. You now know how to archive and unarchive on Monday.com quickly and confidently. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Monday.com tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.